What's going on, guys? It's GBP Welcome to another trade execution video. I have already traded today. However, I've just got home, so I thought I'd get in on the afternoon session. I'm anticipating price to trade up into this 4-hour fair value gap. I'll show you some more context in a second. But yeah, we're just watching this trade. I've already entered. I entered on this candle here, on the down candle, because this is a breaker. We've got a low, high, low, low, and then we broken higher. And I'm bullish right now because I'm expecting these relatively equal highs to get swept and for us to run up into this 4-hour fair value gap. Out, but you can see how it's just sloppily getting its way to that buy side liquidity. So the macro has just started. Again, although we've taken out this buy side liquidity, I would like to see us sweep through it properly. So we're just going to see. And remember, I am allowing price to come and dip back into this order block, which I do anticipate might happen, but we can only wait. So yeah, we'll see. We live and we learn. Once we take out this swing high, I can then move my stuff up again, but we'll see. Because I'm still allowing price to want to dip into this. I might still want to grab stops from there, so I can allow for that. So let me mark out consequent encroachment of this, which is just above that swing high anyway. This daily wick. And just so that I'm exact, because you know me, I want to be exact with my numbers. It's 27917, 27917, and then we'll drop down to the 5-minute and see if we can reach that consequent encroachment. Oh. So yeah, just above that swing high really. This is consequent encroachment off that daily wick, which is basically 50%. So realistically, I'm probably going to take my position off above these highs. So I can move my stuff up again to this low now. Why are we taking out this high? I might get stopped out. in profit, but we'll see. A little run on stops potentially. But to be honest, we probably will, because dollar still hasn't reached for that low yet. So yeah, that's me closed out. So I did get my stop loss taken, but it was in profit, so I'm not complaining. Running back into this fair value gap. Or is this a reversal? Low, high. This is looking very aggressive. Hi guys, so just for more context on the trading video, you'll remember me marking out the consequent encroachment of this daily wick here, and stating how price will likely want to draw into that. So if we drop down to the minute, I can just show you the rest of the trade. Rest of the trade, I didn't actually trade right up to the consequent encroachment, but it was nice to see that price did reach up into it. So this is the trade breakdown. I got in on the breaker here. We got a low, high, lower low, so I made sure to get in as soon as price traded into the breaker. We then rolled it all the way up, and then this is where I moved my stop up to here, and that's why I managed to get stopped out as this candle traded down. So you'll see when that happened, price did trade back down into this fair value gap, which is resting here. I'll just quickly mark that out. Trade back into this fair value gap and order block. So this could have been another buying opportunity, to be honest. And then you can see we reached right up into that daily consequent encroachment, making the high of the day at 1.27925. So that's only a few pips above the consequent encroachment at 1.7. Also, you'll notice this measuring I'll have. So if we got it measuring the Fibonacci, so from this range of the breaker, this low to this high, I've casted it up to -1 and -2, and you can see we reached for -2. And where did the pullback happen? At the -1 level. So this would be 50% of the range, and at 50% of the range, we anticipate a run on stops. So this is something that I've learned, and yeah, just something to look into. I will be doing a more in-depth backtesting video on today's action, on this price action, Friday's price action. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.